everybody, it is easy.
Kiss my face.
We are here with. I'm not gonna be in the video, so we're here to a prank video. So my sister Kayla is going to be pranking
Subway.
So let's do this.
I'm not gonna be talking.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Just let me be quiet. Who is that? Oh, that's Adrian.
Okay, I'm calling. Why isn't this working?
Okay, so wait. Oh my God.
This is Subway Surfer. Where you want to work?
I want a cheeseburger.
Okay, anything else?
I need a new house.
Anything else?
I have a really poor life.
Okay.
Sorry for all the noise of babysitting right now. Can I get $1,000, please? Fried. I want chicken fried rice, chicken wing, and I need a boyfriend. I need 1,000 drinks, please. And cat litter.
Alright. Okay, is that
No. I need a bird.
okay?
And a cat and a dog and a chicken and a peacock. And a pig. Hello. I am Mariana Singh. Do you need my phone number?
Do you need my phone number?
Shut up. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
No.
Don't you need my information? You're a bad waitress. I am Sarah Concolania. Hello?
Yeah.
Don't you need my information?
Yeah, what's your information?
What do you need? You have to call my number. What's my phone number? My phone number is
What is your phone number?
66666666666. Hi.
Okay.
Don't you have something to do? Get a life.
What did you order?
What?
What did you order?
I told you my order. Now you need to get a life.
I'm with you right now.
What?
He just hung up.
What the hell? Oh wait, I want to call back.
But I want to also talk. You guys won't let me.
Ready? Go on, hurry up. Ready? Hello.
It's me.
This is Subway. What do you want to order?
I want to order chicken fried rice.
Make that 1,000.
I get you a laugh and also give me some chicken.
Okay. What are your drinks?
My what?
What do you want? What drink?
I want Pepsi with sugar stuff in it.
Can I get a bowl of talk?
Can we get a bowl of Takis? If you know what that means, but get life.
Okay.
Can I get that for delivery, please? I want 2,000 of those.
Yeah, and we also want like 3,000 of Pepsi fried chicken rice.
I'm just going
Huh?
on.
This is getting too weird.
What is your address?
What?
What is your address?
My address?
Yes.
We won't stay over here.
My address is 347. I'm not saying
617-829.
Shut up. That's not her.
617-829.
No, it isn't. It's 618.
Shut up!
Okay, I'm coming right now.
Okay. I will see you later.
I would also put your butt in the toilet and also get a knife, please. Give me some chicken fried rice. Now.
I'm going to hang up.
Right now.
No.
No, don't hang up on us. Pause it.